Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start your global career with world endeavors step by step clearly. To start your global career with world endeavors, first, visit the World Endeavors website. Explore the various programs they offer, including internships, volunteer opportunities, and study abroad options. Next, assess your interests and goals to find the program that best suits your career aspirations. Once you've chosen a program, create an account on the World Endeavors platform. Fill out the application form with accurate personal and academic information. Prepare your resume and a personal statement outlining your motivation for participating in the program. Submit your application before the specified deadline. After submission, await confirmation of your application status from the World Endeavors team. If accepted, review and sign your program agreement carefully. Next, prepare for your adventure by attending any pre-departure orientations offered. Start arranging your travel plans, including flights and accommodations. Finalize your packing list, ensuring you have all essential items for your destination. Once everything is set, embark on your journey to begin your global career experience. While abroad, immerse yourself in the local culture and network with professionals in your field. Upon your return, leverage the skills and experiences you gained to advance your career. Keep in touch with World Endeavors for future opportunities that may arise. This journey is not just about enhancing your resume, it's about personal growth and global connections. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video